justification. It requires someone to tell you that the violent acts that you are justified.
All right, it's 9 o'clock. In fact, it's 9:01. I'm going to call the docket for Wednesday, May the 19th. The first case is set for 1:30, just to make sure they're not sitting here. Raimundo Garcia, that's case number 540333. Raimundo Garcia. Raimundo Aleman is the attorney. All right, case number 572. Hello.
Hello.
I am calling the docket. I appreciate silence unless you're called on. 572150, State versus Adam King, and that is Suzanne Kramer.
Your Honor, I
Yes.
received a text from Suzanne Kramer. They are both in the 437th this morning. And
Okay.
apparently this case is going to be TIC. Did you still need him to appear this morning?
Not if they're TIC in it. No, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
597764, State versus Alfred Lopez.
Good morning,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Good morning.
He's present with counsel, Judge. He's connecting to audio. He's wearing a white shirt. Mr. Lopez, if you can wave for the court while you connect to audio. He can't hear me. That's right. He's connecting to audio, but he's the one in the white T-shirt. There's like a white background. It's like a closet, and then a portrait on the right. I don't know if the court can see him. He's on my second screen.
I see a person with a T-shirt, says connecting to audio.
Yes, Judge, that is him.
That is he?
Yes, that is Mr. Lopez, Judge. If you can mark as conferring, if I can confer with the ADA after the docket.
You're number one to confer. Thank you, Mr. Reyes.
Thank you, Judge.
611844, State versus Sebastian Vigil, and that's William Simmons, his attorney. Sebastian Vigil, marked absent at this point, and Mr. Simmons is absent also. 627204, State versus Adrian Fraga, and the attorney is James Dwiggins. Hello. Selma, who do you have in the courtroom? Is that Mr.
He's
Dwiggins?
right here in the courtroom, Judge.
Both
I'm
of
trying
them?
to get him up here to the front of the.
Mr. Fraga apparently has a warrant. Is that still true?
Okay, he's right there, Judge. You can talk to him.
Selma, I believe he has a warrant.
Okay, sure, yes, he does.
All right. 63, Mr. Dwiggins. Is Mr. Dwiggins there, Patty? I'm
No,
sorry,
sir.
Selma. All right, well, Mr. Dwiggins is marked absent. 632721, State versus Stephanie Garcia. And that's Brian De La Rosa, his attorney.
There we go. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brian. How are you?
I'm doing well. I need to confer with the state.
All right, I'll do that. Is your client with you or on the screen?
I have been in contact with her. I believe it's her first time using Zoom, so she may be having some difficulties. But I will get her here as soon as possible.
I'll list you number 2 for conferring.
Thank you.
642933, State versus Matthew Kuczynski. That's
Yes, Your Honor.
Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. Me and my client are present.
I see you both are present. Thank you. What do you wish to do this morning?
Can we please confer, Your Honor?
And number 3 for conferring. Thank you.
Judge.
646933, pardon me, 646392, State versus Natalie Wilson, and that is Jocelyn Andrews, his attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Jocelyn. How are you? Is your client here, Ms. Wilson?
I don't see her yet, Judge. I was trying to reach out to her while I was.
She's there.
What?
Is
Oh,
she-
there.
okay.
Very good. Good morning, Ms. Wilson. All right, Ms. Andrews, what are your wishes?
I'd
Pardon me?
like to confer, Your Honor, please.
All right, you're number 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's a lot of mold in the air, folks. Case number 646-514, State versus Lauren Hathersell, or pardon me, Hatherall. And that is Sean Lavorne, his attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, we're present. We'd like to confer. My client is on.
Alrighty, where is your client?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am. How do you pronounce your last name?
Hatherall?
Hatherall.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Lavorne,
Are you on?
what do you want to do?
I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
You're number 5 to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Case number 648013, State versus Maria Rodriguez, and that's Patrick Montgomery's attorney.
I'm right here, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Have you heard from your attorney?
No.
All right, we'll see if it's whether he shows up. I'm marking him no answer at this time.
Okay.
Stick around.
Thank you.
650528, State versus Desiree Flores, and that is Jason Joyner's attorney.
Yes, Judge, I'm present. I believe she's on. I spoke with her this morning. If she's not, it's just a technical difficulty, but we'd like to confer with the state.
Sorry. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here. I'm
All
here
right,
in the
good
courtroom.
morning. Okay, you're in the courtroom, huh?
Yes.
All right, I'm listing you, Mr. Joyner is number 6.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 652714, State versus Gerardo Martinez, and that's Fernando Ramos is the attorney. Does that silence mean nobody's here, or they just don't want to talk to me?
I'm sorry, Judge. I was muted. My apologies.
Good morning, Fernando. I saw you on there.
Yeah, Judge, I just talked to my client. He's trying to get on. He's having some difficulties. He has a pending felony, Judge, and we'd like to plea bargain down if possible and reset it for 30 days. And I'll negotiate with the prosecutors over the email and probably be ready for a plea on the next session.
So you want 30-day reset, felony pending?
Yes, sir.
Make it so, Patricia. Thank you, Fernando. It's good to see you.
Thank you, Judge. Good to see you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. You and your client both.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 653420. That's State versus Rosendo Guevara, and that is Rochelle Acevedo.
That I wouldn't know. I haven't communicated. I said that I wouldn't know. I haven't.
Mr. Guevara, is that he on the orange?
No, sir. He just logged on. I don't know if his audio is connected yet.
All right, but you do see him. What about Rochelle?
Rochelle's in a trial, Judge. She's in a 3-day jury trial.
Okay, so that means we're gonna have to reset her case. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yes, sir. Guevara, Rosendo.
Rosendo Guevara. Reset 30 days. As soon as he is in and he can hear us, we'll inform him and excuse
He's there, Judge, in the purple R. There's a purple R on the screen. You see him? Talk, Mr. Guevara.
Mr. Guevara, can you hear me? As I have often said, to really screw up, you need a computer. All right. Well, Patricia, make sure we come back and release it.
Yes, sir.
654839, State versus Victor Lugo.
Good morning, Judge. This is Sophie Martinez. I'm present and Mr. Lugo is present. Mr. Lugo, can you announce yourself for the court, please?
I'm here.
Try it again.
Can you hear me?
There you are. Yes, sir. I see you. I've got a screen full of people, so.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Martinez, your wishes.
I'd like to confer with Caitlin. We have some discovery issues, Judge.
All right, you've been number 7. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Scheduled for 2 p.m. A plea. State versus John T. Sinclair, and the attorney is George Schaefer. 2 o'clock scheduled. 657-081, State versus Victoria Juarez. This is Jeb Locke.
Present, Judge. I believe Ms. Juarez is also here.
Yes,
Good morning, Jeb.
There she is.
All right. Where are you, ma'am?
Hi, Judge.
Ms. Juarez?
Hello, can you hear me?
I hear you, but I don't see you on the screen. Is that she that just says iPhone?
It's an iPhone.
Okay, that is she. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Locke, what are you doing this morning?
Need to request a reset, Judge. I just received the blood test. I will be filing a blood discovery motion with the court, and we'll need a reset until the state's able to comply with that.
All right, State, any idea how long we're talking?
We can file it this afternoon, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
We can file it this afternoon, Your Honor.
All right. And for compliance purposes, how much time do I need to give you?
About 60 days, Your Honor.
I would have said 30, and that's why I'm asking. Very good. Reset 60 days. Patricia?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Juarez and Mr. Locke, thank you for being here on time. Your case is reset 60 days. You're excused.
Thank you.
657, you're welcome, Jeb. Take care. Stay safe. 657-112, State of Texas versus Catherine Kolner.
Good morning, Judge.
Joanne Akel.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I'm present. My client is also present. She's on the screen under Catherine Kolner.
Good morning.
Well, that's appropriate since her name is Catherine Kolner, right? All right. Ms. Akel, what is your wish?
I would like to confer with the prosecutor if possible, Judge.
I'm listing as number 8, conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
Won't take long. Case number. Is that case number 657-114, State versus Ricasha Brooks, and the attorney John Garcia. Ms. Brooks, Ricasha Brooks, absent, and so is the attorney John Garcia. 657-129, State versus Serena Villarreal.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I apologize for interrupting you. That case was dismissed on May 4th, and I guess it's just still waiting to be put into the system.
I will assume that the defense was very upset and unhappy with that.
They did ask why they were still on the docket, but they are not here today.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. 657-187, State versus Nancy Van Diver. And that
I'm
is,
right here.
Dylan George. Nancy Van Diver.
I'm right here, sir.
Are you using what's called Paula's iPhone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why can't we see you on video, ma'am?
My phone is broke, but I'm trying to make it work, but I don't know why it's not working.
Okay. We frequently have problems with our computers, including us here. Dylan George.
I haven't heard from my lawyer. I don't even know what's going on with my case.
Have you ever contacted him or spoken with him?
I talked to him when I first had court. That's the last time I heard from him.
Patricia, make note of that. I want to have a little chat with this gentleman.
Yes, sir.
Stick around, Ms. Van Diver. We'll see if he shows up. By the way, how do you pronounce your last name?
Vanderveer,
Vanderveer, V-I-E-R. Thank you, ma'am.
you're welcome.
658-895, State versus Rodney Ellison. Ed Piker.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Ellison.
Good morning.
There's a senator from Texas named Rodney Ellis. So you're close, but not quite.
Your Honor,
Ed.
I got a message from Linda. Ed Piker's in the 187th, and he'll log on as soon as done there.
Okay, Mr. Ellison, stick around. Your attorney is in another court, the felony court. 659-451, State versus Richard Gonzalez. No attorney listed. Richard Gonzalez.
Yes, I'm here. He's in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, very good. Mr. Gonzalez, do you have an attorney? Have you hired one?
No, sir.
Well, you're going to have one. What's going on?
I didn't know. I didn't know I needed when they somebody to show up to court. I'll get a court appointed one.
If you'll stick around, we'll see that you get an application. If you qualify, one will be appointed to you. Yes, ma'am, Ms. Garcia.
Deputy Castillo has the forms there. If she could please hand him one to fill out.
Okay.
I will
Can
give
you
him
do
one.
that?
Judge. Yes.
Thank you, Thelma. Go ahead,
You're
Mr.
welcome.
Mr. Gonzalez, I'm a deputy there. We'll give you the forms to apply.
Okay.
659-466. State versus David Lockhart. No attorney.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Mr. Lockhart, do you have an attorney?
I do not.
What is your intent?
To hire one, sir.
You're going to hire. Then I'm going to give you 30 days to come back to hire with an attorney.
Yes, sir.
All right. You are excused. Thank you. 659-481, State versus Javier Limon. And that
Hiya,
is
Judge.
Nathan Slemain. Mr.
Good morning,
Limon.
Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to both of you.
Mr. Limon is on as well. I would like to confer with the state this morning and talk to Mr. Limon.
All right, we'll arrange all that.
Thank you, Judge.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
On that, it's Ivan Barrera. On that case, my client's actually hired our office to represent him on that one.
You're talking about
Javier Limon.
Javier Limon.
Yes, Judge. We filed the notices of appearance on the 14th of May.
Oh, that explains why we don't know that. You actually did it.
I did not receive notice of that, Judge. And it looks like
Okay.
this morning I'm still of record, but that's fine. If the court will dismiss me, I do have an MTR in another court.
All right, Mr. Slemain, you are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care, stay safe.
You as well, sir.
All right, Mr. Barrera, what are you doing this morning?
Yes, Judge. I have some pre-trial matters I would like to discuss with the court, but I need access to discovery. Can we just reset it for 1 week, Judge? May 26th.
Recall 1 week. Mr.
Thank you, Your
Limon, Mr. Barrera, y'all are excused on this case.
Thank you, Judge.
659-486, State versus Jeanette Martinez. No attorney.
This is me.
Oscar Cantu appearing for her, Your Honor. I'll get you an appearance today as fast as I can.
Oscar Cantu.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Poor girl, pobrecita. Give her all your sympathy.
Hello.
Okay, Oscar, now the sympathy she gets is the fact that right now it's listed as having a warrant for her arrest.
Yes, sir. I'm taking her over to pretrials on set in the 187th.
So what is it specifically you want?
Just to reset on this one, because I don't think you have a file yet. It's a brand new arrest.
All right, is that the way you see it, Patty?
I'm looking it up right now, Judge. There is a file. It was filed yesterday, on the 17th, Your Honor.
All right, so, Mr. Cantu, I obviously recommend that you look to that warrant, okay?
Yes, sir. I'll take care of that today. What's the case
Very
number?
good.
I'll get you your appearance.
659486, State versus Jeanette Martinez, sir.
It'll be done in just a few minutes.
Your Honor.
Very good, ma'am.
Just to let the court know, it's a MTEAG out of the 186, remand without bond.
Okay, well, I'm sure Mr. Cantu can look into that and get something squared away.
Works of magic, Your Honor.
There you go. All right, 659503, State versus Atiliano Carrillo, and that's Dirk Archbaugh. Nobody answering. Okay, neither one is here, so noted. 659506, State versus Willie Sykes, and that is Michael Young.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tanya Rivera, Public Defender's Office, appearing for Mr. Sykes.
Okay, now what is your name again? I'm sorry, I had trouble hearing you.
I'm sorry. Tanya Rivera?
Tanya
Yes, Judge.
Rivera. Our court reporter is Kayleen Rivera. All right, what are your wishes today, ma'am?
Your Honor, this is a first setting. I would like to confer with the state, please.
All right, you are on the line to confer. I believe you'd be number 8 or rather number 9, I think.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. The last case to be called is set for 2:30 this afternoon. 660-548, that's 660-548. State versus Harris Paye, P-A-Y-E. Matthew Brown is the attorney. All right. Mr. Paye, I know that he is in jail. I know that we're scheduled for 2:30. I'm just making sure that I'm not sitting here thinking otherwise. All right. That is the docket for this morning. Mr. Edelman.